What up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Jam Chill Out speaker. I got this at Best Buy for $30. So let's get started. This is how the speaker looks like from the front, the box. Here's what the side looks like, and this speaker claims 8 hours of playtime, up to 100 feet of range, and it's also water and dust proof, IP67 rating, and you could use it as a speakerphone to make calls, and it comes with an integrated charging cable. Here's how the back of the box looks like, and here's the side. So let's get started guys, and let me open it up with my little knife right here. Right there, and right there, and right there. Alright, cool. Put that to the side. And let's see what comes in the box. How do you open this actually? Alright. So what do you do? Oh, here we go. There we go. Oh, I thought this was part of the speaker, but never mind. So what you get in the box first is this little box right here. Let's see what comes in the box. Nice little box. So it comes with instruction manual and some other things which we'll check out in a bit. And it also comes with an aux cord, which is really nice of them. Pretty thick cable. Unfortunately not gold plated, the pins, but that's okay. Put that to the side, and let's take this thing out. And wow, here's the speaker itself. Put that over here. Oh, it's pretty, has some weight to it. The construction feels nice and sturdy, high quality, very thick plastic. It also has this little famous hanging ribbon right here, so you could hang it while you're in the shower or anywhere. Here's how the top of the speaker looks like. You could see. I wonder if this is a sticker or not, because I'm not understanding this. Oh, okay. It's telling you that the circle is for volume up, the minus is for power on, and the X is for volume down. Okay, that's what it is. Let's peel this off real quick. I was about to say, what is this touch controls? So here's how the speaker looks like from the top. It has this little like edge, like wedge, and also from this side too. And here are the controls, volume up, volume down, and the little minus to power it on. You also get, let me see, how do you open this? Oh wow. Do you even open this? I don't know if you open that, but it's really hard. I don't know if you open this or not. This little tab, but I know you do open this little one from the bottom. And I've seen some reviews of people explaining how these little tabs are really hard to open, like if you're about to break the speaker. And guys, I have to say, they were telling the truth. Oh damn, there we go. So here comes the little integrated cable to charge the speaker. What is that? I don't know what this thing is. Probably a little tab. And as you can see, here's the charging port and the aux port. So you won't need to have a cable. You'll always have the cable in here, which is really nice actually. And you just put that back. Which a thing again, people were complaining how it was hard to put it back on. But that's okay. And honestly, I don't know what this little tab is. I don't know if you open this tab or not, but I'm gonna find out right now. So give me a second guys, and let me read the instruction manual. to see if you are able to open that or not before I break it. Alright guys, I'm back, and I don't think that tab is meant to be open. I don't know why they would put it there, but here's the instructions, and I'm not seeing anything about that tab. And even on the little picture right here, it like shows it, but it doesn't have a purpose. Look, even on the indicator, it does not have a purpose, I think. So apparently it'll shine orange if it's on two hours of battery life, and the light won't be on if it's fully charged. It'll start blinking, I'm assuming that's what it means, if the battery is running low. But other than that, guys, I don't think you open that, and I'm not too sure what that might be. I think maybe the microphone might be in here, and I don't want to damage that, so let me put that back. Oh, so remember what came in the little bag? This is what came in the little bag. Some little I don't know, some cardboard things tells you, you know, no music, no problem. Tell Jam about your jam. And they were also nice enough to throw in a Jam speaker sticker, which is nice of them. By the way, guys, my first Bluetooth speaker was a Jam. I can't really remember if I bought it from my friend Christian or if he gave it to me, but it was the Jam Classic. And after that, guys, I fell in love with Bluetooth speakers. That's where my obsession started. And I have like a bunch of Bluetooth speakers. I always wanted like more and better quality and better sound. Because back then, like, you would just listen to music and you wouldn't even care about that. But once you like got like a good decent speaker and you listen to your music over and over again, you notice the detail. You notice how with better speakers, they're like sounds that you never heard before and everything. But my first Bluetooth speaker was a Jam Classic. I don't know if you guys remember those speakers. They came in a little jar. They look like a little jar of jam. And yeah, that was my first Bluetooth speaker. And like I said, I don't remember if I bought it from my friend Christian or if he gave it to me. But yeah, man, thanks to him, I'm obsessed with Bluetooth speakers. But anyway, let me turn this on now. Oh wow, that kind of like vibrated a little bit. Alright, so let me pair it to my phone, guys, and see how it goes, see how it sounds. Oh, there we go. It's making this noise. Gansito. My dog's barking. Gansito. Come here. Alright then, let me look. Let me see what my dog is barking. I'm pretty sure he's barking because of the sound, but I'm not too sure. Gansito, stop. Alright guys, give me a second please. Alright guys, I'm back. I don't know why he was barking. There was nobody at the door. I'm pretty sure it was just the noises he heard from the speaker. But let's test it out with some music and see how it sounds. I'm pretty sure it's gonna sound nice. I remember my my classic, my Jam Classic sounded really good and pretty loud for the size. It was really good. But let's go into my channel again and let's bump some uncopyrighted music, if you know what I mean. So let's see. Alright, let's test it out. Oh,
the wait is finally over.
Also, I guess if you hold that button, it skips. You guys might be wondering who Gansito is. There you go. Let's try again. Alright, that's the max volume.
Oh yeah.
Wow, well there you guys have it. That was a test, and I gotta say, it sounds, wow, it sounds really good actually for the price. I was expecting it to sound worse, but it sounds really good. I don't know if you guys heard, but the bass is really punchy, like really, really punchy, and then the mids are nice, the highs are there. You could hear everything. It sounds really good for the price, $30. I mean, you can't beat it. And 8 hours of battery life and IP67 rating and a speakerphone, and it also comes with the integrated charging cable and an aux core. I mean, you cannot beat it for $30, guys. Do I recommend this speaker to anybody? Yes, of course I do. I mean, Jam. I mean, it has never disappointed me, and it didn't disappoint me today. I'm a big fan of them since it was my first Bluetooth speaker, and I fell in love with it, and I fell in love with this one too. But anyway, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give it a like, and like always, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. So peace out.